Exercise 3.3, question number 4. Prove that cot of 180 degree plus theta into sin of 90 degree minus theta into cos of minus theta divided by sin of 270 degree plus theta into tan of minus theta into cosecant of 360 degree plus theta equal to cos square theta into cot theta. Take left hand side, cot of 180 degree plus theta into sin of 90 degree minus theta into cos of minus theta divided by sin of 270 degree plus theta into tan of minus theta into cosecant of 360 degree plus theta. Now we have 4 quadrants. 0 to 90 degree first quadrant, greater than 90 less than 180 second quadrant, theta greater than 180 degree less than 270 degree third quadrant, and theta greater than 270 less than 360 degree fourth quadrant. In first quadrant all the 6 trigonometric functions are positive. Second quadrant sine and cosecant are positive. Third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. So applying this rule, cot of 180 degree plus theta, third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. So cot of 180 plus theta is cot theta into sin of 90 minus theta, first quadrant எல்லாமே positive. So cos theta into cos of minus theta is cos theta. Yes, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta divided by sin of 270 degree plus theta, fourth quadrant sin வந்து negative. So அதனால minus cos theta into tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Cosecant of 360 plus theta is first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. So we get cosecant of theta. So this is equal to cot theta into cos theta divided by, here minus into minus plus, so cos theta into tan theta is sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. So this is equal to cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta into cot theta, and that is right hand side. Hence proved. Question number 5. Find all the angles between 0 degree and 360 degree which satisfy the equation sin square theta equal to 3 by 4. Sin square theta equal to 3 by 4. So sin theta is equal to square root of 3 by 4. It is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Sin theta equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Consider sin theta equal to root 3 by 2. So sin theta equal to root 3 by 2 implies theta equal to 60 degree or 120 degree. Because sin of 120 can be written as sin of 180 minus 60 degree. Second quadrant, in second quadrant sin is positive. So sin of 180 minus 60 is sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. And sin 60 is also root 3 by 2. So sin theta equal to root 3 by 2 implies theta equal to 60 degree or 120 degree. Taking the other value, minus sin theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. Sin theta is negative in third quadrant and in fourth quadrant. So theta is equal to 240 degree or 300 degree. See here, sin of 240 can be written as sin of 180 plus 60. Third quadrant sin is negative, so we get minus sin 60. Minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, sin 300 can be written as 360 degree minus 60 degree. Fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant sin is negative. Minus sin 60 minus root 3 by 2. So sin theta equal to minus root 3 by 2 implies theta is equal to 240 degree or 300 degree. You want to get all the angles between 0 degree and 360 degree. So only we are taking all the possible values. Therefore, all the angles between 0 degree and 360 degree which satisfy the equation sin square theta equal to 3 by 4 or theta equal to 60 degree, 120 degree, 240 degree and 300 degree. Question number 6. Show that sin square pi by 18 plus sin square pi by 9 plus sin square 7 pi by 18 plus sin square 4 pi by 9 equal to 2. To prove this, take left hand side. Sin square pi by 18 plus sin square pi by 9 plus sin square 7 pi by 18 plus sin square 4 pi by 9. Now denominator 18, 9 இருக்கு. So எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்ம 18க்கு convert பண்ணி எழுதலாம். So this is sin square pi by 18 plus sin square. So 2 ஆல multiply பண்ணினா 2 pi by 18 plus sin square 7 pi by 18. This again multiplying by 2 we get plus sin square 8 pi by 18. That is equal to sin square pi by 18 plus sin square 2 pi by 18. Now this can be written as sin square pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 18. LCM எடுத்து பாருங்க. LCM of 2 and 18 is 18. 18 ல 2 9 times போகும். So 9 pi minus 2 pi 7 pi by 18. So 7 pi by 18 can be written as pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 18 plus, and this again can be written as sin square pi by 2 minus pi by 18. LCM is 18, 9 pi minus pi 8 pi by 18. So these two terms we are rewriting like this. And we know sin square, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, the sin square pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 18 becomes cos square 2 pi by 18. Similarly, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos square pi by 18. So this is sin square pi by 18 plus sin square 2 pi by 18 plus this is cos square 2 pi by 18 plus cos square pi by 18. Rearranging sin square pi by 18 plus the last term cos square pi by 18 plus sin square 2 pi by 18 plus cos square 2 pi by 18. We know this identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is true for any angle. So here sin square pi by 18 plus cos square pi by 18. This is 1 plus. Similarly here sin square 2 pi by 18 plus cos square 2 pi by 18 equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That is right hand side equal to RHS. Hence proved.